Am I the a-hole for eating a human baby? I know what you're thinking, but stay with me. There's context. Kinda. So before you judge me, let me explain. This is not what it sounds like. I'm a biologist. Specifically, I study cellular regeneration and synthetic tissue modeling. Basically, I grow fake meat in a lab. Think lab-grown chicken nuggets, but ethically weird. About a year ago, our lab was working on a controversial project. Replicating human tissue for medical training, not for food. Emphasis on not for food. But my coworker, let's call him Steve, kept joking, bro, what if we made like, a baby steak? At first it was a joke. Dark science humor, right? But eventually, we had all the synthetic parts needed to technically build a replica baby. No consciousness, no organs, no nervous system. Just lab-grown cells arranged in the shape of a baby. Anyway, fast forward to our end of project celebration, and after a couple too many drinks, someone dared me to cook it. And I did. I pan-seared a piece of the synthetic thigh, just to see. It looked like chicken, smelled like pork. Tasted, honestly, kinda bland. Needed more salt.
What?
My girlfriend was horrified. She said I was a monster, that I crossed a moral line, that I needed therapy. I tried to explain that it wasn't real. No one was hurt. It was tissue. Lab meat. Like Beyond Baby. Anyway, I posted this here because she told her friends and now they all call me Baby Eater. So, AITA? Alright, let's unpack this. On one hand, no actual babies were harmed. This was, according to OP, lab-grown human meat, which is horrifying in a philosophical way but technically legal. Maybe. On the other hand, you ate a synthetic baby. You didn't have to shape it like a baby. That was a choice. This honestly feels like a textbook case of just because you can, doesn't mean you should. Also, bro, why did you cook it like a YouTube mukbang? But what do you think, Reddit Corner? Is OP just a chaotic neutral science bro? Or did he cross a line into straight-up Hannibal Lecter territory? Let me know in the comments, AITA or not.
That's it. Make sure to like, sub, scroll up and on the video 5 times so we hit the algorithm, comment 3 different opinions on the video, and send it to the first 3 people to come out when you press.